All right, this one is a little owl. Just kind of a fun little quick carve I did. It is, there's a little bit of, I'll show you a little bit of technique on how to lay feathers over feathers. So enjoy this one also. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe, please.
Look at all my chainsaw.
Okay guys, this is going to be just a little 1 foot tall, total 1 foot tall owl. So be kind of quick. It's the old dried piece of pine, splitting pretty good, but it's actually gonna be pretty small, so I'll be able to cut most of that off there. So stay tuned. Got the rough shape of the owl with my MS-261. I got a crack I'm gonna have to shim up. I think I'll probably just recarve bark into this. I want to make it just look like he's sitting on a cut tree stump. Like I said, this can be really simple, but I'm gonna have his face over here to avoid this crack. I don't want that crack to. So he'll be looking this way. The wings will be here, so he'll be looking to the right. So time to get my little saw. I'm gonna use my MS-150. And what I do, and I'll explain how I'm gonna do the texture on the feathers. But if you put the blade into the wood like this instead of straight in like this, you get a nice sharp tapered edge under the feathers, so it looks more natural, I guess, than just chopping feathers in with the square tip. It's more of a V cut instead of a square cut, so it actually ends up looking more realistic, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So I'll show you. Okie doke. So this is a quick owl. I'm gonna do some airbrushing, finish up on him. This is just painted brown rattle can, then buffed off pretty much with a with Sandal Flex drum sander. I'll show you that. So there we go. The Sandal Flex. So the drum sander goes on electric drill. It's got, I use 36 grit paper I buy at Harbor Freight and cut my own strips and reload my own strips. It sands a lot faster than the stock stuff, so a lot cheaper to reload. But there we go. I'll do some video also of the airbrushing too. I'm gonna do like the actual stripes in the wings, add some white highlights, some blacks, some really darks, and just make it pop. So all right guys, got the little owl finished up. Painted him brown, buffed off the most of the paint, and then I went back over with some like oranges just to make him a little different color than the stump he's sitting on. Airbrushed a little bit of white around his eyes and on the beak, and then the wings. Spotted them lighted, made them a little lighter so they stand out. Some black, airbrush some black between the feathers here, just a little ways down, just to show a little contrast, help pop a little bit. So I did fix one of the cracks going down the side of him, but there he is. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got a lot more coming. Thanks, guys.